Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sintami Sandra. My student's number is 222122096. In this video, I will demonstrate how to teach English grammar using CLT or communicative language teaching. Communicative language teaching, or CLT, is an approach to language education that prioritizes communications as the main goal. It emphasizes interaction, authentic language use, and real-life context, aiming to develop learners' ability to communicate effectively. CLT encourages activity, engagement in meaningful tasks to help learners use language naturally and fluently in everyday situations. And then, the characteristic of CLT. The first one is focus on communication. The second, use of authentic language. The third, integrations of language skill. The fourth is learner-centered approach. And the last is emphasis on meaning. And then the technique. The technique I use in this teaching grammar using the CLT method. The first one is the explanations of definitions and types of prepositions location. In this step, I provide foundational knowledge to ensure students understand the correct usage of prepositions of location. While CLT emphasizes communications, it's still important for students to grasp basic grammar forms. I start by explaining the definitions and types of location preposition, such as in, on, under, beside, and etc. So students can internalize these rules before moving on to the more interactive activity. The second is visual contextualization of prepositions. Using visual aids such as the picture can help students to associate language with a real world situation, which is a key element of CLT. By showing image, students can better understand how to apply prepositions of location. This makes learning more practical and contextualized, moving beyond theoretical knowledge. And the third is interactive picture questioning. This activity aligns with CLT by emphasizing meaningful communication in real context. Students are shown a picture and asked to describe what they see or answer questions based on the image. For example, where is the book? This exercise helps students practice using preposition in context, reinforcing the grammar in a communicative way. And the last is a role play, location description. Role-playing is a technique that strongly supports the CLT approach by encouraging authentic communication. In this activity, students are location preposition to describe the setting of a scene. For example, one student might describe the layout. For example, one student is asked the object, and then the location of the object, and then the other students is describe where is the object is. This helps students practice speaking and listening in real. For example, one student might describe the layout of a room or the locations of the object, while the other students listen and ask the questions. This helps students practice speaking and listening in real-life context, applying prepositions of location naturally. Now, let's move on to the demonstrations of teaching.